experiment time! Hi guys! For today's experiment, we will need soda and the Mentos.
Okay, so we will see what will happen to our soda once we drop the Mentos. Wow!
It didn't get to finish!
So we made a success. Last time kasi 'di ba hindi nag-burst because we opened the bottle kaagad-agad. Dapat pala you don't open the bottle. You only open the bottle pag gagamitin mo na.
What's going on here is that Mentos has thousands of small pores on its surface, disrupting the polar attractions between the water molecules, creating thousands of ideal nucleation sites for the gas molecules in the drink to congregate. In non-sciencey terms, basically, the porous surface creates a lot of bubble growth sites, allowing the carbon dioxide bubbles to rapidly form on the surface of the Mentos. If you use a smooth-surfaced Mentos, you won't get nearly the reaction. The buoyancy of the bubbles and their growth in size will quickly cause the bubbles to leave the nucleation site and rise to the surface of the soda. Bubbles will continue to form on the porous surface, and the process will repeat, creating a nice, foamy result. In addition to that, the gum arabic and gelatin ingredients of the Mentos, combined with the potassium benzoate, sugar, or potentially aspartame in diet sodas, also help in this process. In these cases, the ingredients end up lowering the surface tension of the liquid, allowing for even more rapid bubble growth on the porous surface of the Mentos. Higher surface tension equals a more difficult environment for bubbles to form.